Topic is the numpy. What is numpy? Numpy is a Python library used for working with arrays. It also has functions for working in domain of linear algebra, Fourier transforms and matrices. Actually, numpy was created in 2005 by Travis Oliphant, and it is an open source project and you can use it freely. NumPy stands for numerical Python. That's why the NumPy. Next, our question is, one of my friend asking, what is NumPy and why NumPy is used in Python? So basically, NumPy is an open source numerical Python library, as I told before, and NumPy contains a multi-dimensional array and matrix data structures. It can be utilized to perform a number of mathematical operations on arrays such as trigonometric, statistical, and algebraic routines. So today we will go for the implementation without wasting the time. Now we have to create a numpy ndarray object. So we are writing here numpy is used. Why we use it? For a basic introduction theory I am writing. For better implementation, numpy is used to work with arrays. The array object in numpy is called the ndarray. The array object in numpy the array object in numpy is called the nd array. So I am making it the 1 point, I am making it the second point. Our third point is, as theory, we can create numpy nd array object by using the array function. What is the function? This one. So we can create a numpy ndarray object by using the array function. I hope this up to clear totally. Let me mark down it. Okay. Theory part is clear. Now we are going for the example. As for example, I am showing you. Okay. Yes, I am showing you the example. Suppose import numpy as np. When we write the np is the short form of numpy. Okay, so we can use the np as numpy, or you can say the numpy as np. So array equal to np dot array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can include more numbers for array, no problem, and we are printing simply the array. Okay, what it will print? It will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the 0 index, it is the 1 index, it is the 3 index, 0, 1, 2, sorry, second number index, This is the third index, means 4, and this is the fourth number index, 5. Now we have to know what is the type of this array. How we will know that? If you know, please comment. Okay, now I am writing here for other people who don't know. Print of type, and who are new in Python, basically I am here for them. Type of array, here it's coming the class numpy.nd array. Nd means, here nd means, nd is the n dimensional array. Okay, so no need to tell more about this, it's totally clear, I hope. So what is the type function doing here? Why we use the type function? Because this built-in Python function tell us the type of the object passed to it. Like in above code, you can see it shows the array is the numpy.nd array type. You can see that numpy.nd array type. So to create an nd array, we can pass a list, tuple, or any array like object into the array method, and it will be converted into an nd array. Now next example is, okay, let me clear it. Okay, example 2. Okay, we will try the example 2. Okay, for more practice we are doing that. Import numpy as np. Just conceptualize the thing so that you can understand the numpy today. Array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now print. This is our second example. It will show oh, I add the extra comma, that's why it's not printing. Now it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so up to this much is clear. Today's session is up to this much, and our next session we will know about more about the dimensions. I have no time more for today's session, but I have to stop here. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you like that video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Okay, I am stopping here.